The ONEBOT S6L. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the ONEBOT S6L folding electric bike. This is how it comes in when it's delivered, and you can see how it's packaged with all the foam and plastic protecting it. It requires only minimal assembly and you can be up and riding in no time. With the bike, you get the charger, front fenders, rear fenders, and user manual. So here's the bike fully assembled. There was nothing to the assembly process. You can be up and running in no time. Basically, you have to install the rear fender, the front fender, and then attach the seat. Briefly going over some specs, the bike has a magnesium alloy frame, foldable design, 36 volt 400 watt rear motor, 7.8 amp hour lithium ion battery which is removable, and it takes 5 hours to fully charge. Backlit LCD display, 3 pedal assist levels, twist throttle, 15.5 miles per hour top speed, 16 miles on throttle and 28 miles on pedal assist for range. Shimano 6-speed shifter, front light, front and rear fenders, 20-inch wheels. The bike weighs in at 49 pounds with a max load of 265 pounds. A brief walkthrough around the bike. You can see the folding mechanism for the handlebars in the front here. You have the front light, the mechanical disc brakes. You got the front fender. And then moving towards the rear here, you can see the mechanical disc brakes, the rear fender, the motor, kickstand. In the rear view, you can see the rear suspension. Moving to the other side, you can see the rear derailleur, 6-speed cassette, the folding mechanism for the center part of the bike in the middle here. Moving to the handlebar area, you have your brake levers, you have the display, the gear shifter, and the electronic horn, along with the twist throttle on the right side there. Powering up the display, you can see the numbers and icons are large and easy to read. Pressing the M button will cycle through the odometer, trip, and time. Pressing the plus button will increase the pedal assist levels 1 through 3, and pressing the minus will decrease it. Holding down the plus button for a few seconds will turn on the front light. Pressing down on the plus and minus button at the same time will give you access to the advanced settings. And this is how the horn sounds like. Now folding the bike is pretty easy and you can easily transport this. You know, the bike is very light. You have the folding lever here. So basically you want to press on like this safety button here. Press it down and then pull the lever and then you can just fold the bike. There you go. So it does have a wheel on the front. So once it's folded, you know, you can easily roll it back and forth. And then you can fold the stem here. Same thing, there's a red button. Press down and the handlebars will fold. So that's how to fold it. So I do want to highlight on the front wheel, you have this metal plate, and then on the back you have a magnet. So when you fold it, that metal plate in the front will lock into place with the magnet so it doesn't unfold. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm not expecting much for this type of bike. It's basically made for portability, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot here and see how it does. Okay, here we go. All right, it's definitely bumpy as expected. but it's making it through the trail here. Now I'm gonna test out the pedal assist. This has 3 levels of pedal assist, so we'll start off with 1, see how fast it goes, all the way to pedal assist 3. After that, we'll proceed with just the twist throttle. Okay, so pedal assist 1, here we go. All right, looks like we're at 8.5 at pedal assist 1. Pedal assist 2, hitting about 12. And 3. So it looks like 15.6 on pedal assist 3. So with the pedal assist, we reached 15.6 miles per hour. Now I'm just gonna do the twist throttle only. Let's see how fast it can go. Here we go. All right, we're at 13. So it looks like 15.6, it's topping off with the twist throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes, and you can use the parking lines as reference. Now I'm going to do the uphill test. This road has a nice incline throughout. So with the twist throttle, we reached 15.6 miles per hour. So let's see if it holds that, if we lose speed. Let's see how it does. After that, I'll go ahead and proceed with the downhill. Okay, twist throttle, uphill test. Yeah, the acceleration is smooth, motor is very quiet. All right, so we're at 15 miles per hour right now. We're beginning the climb here. Okay, losing a little bit of speed. We're at 14 now. So it looks like 14.1, not bad. It's holding it. All right, it's gonna go downhill a little bit here, and then we're gonna proceed through this turn. Let's see how it handles. All right, handling the turn. So with the uphill test, we maintained 14.1 miles per hour. We did lose a little bit of speed going up, but it did fairly well. So now we're gonna do the downhill test. Let's see how it does. I'm gonna probably have to slow it down as we approach that turn. All right, here we go. All right, we're at 16 miles per hour right now. $18. And about 15 now, holding 15. Again, the motor is very quiet, just smooth all around. There's no rattles, no vibrations. So we're at 17 miles per hour right now. Here are my thoughts on the bike. I like that it pretty much comes in assembled and you can be up and running in a few minutes. The build and quality of the bike is good. It feels solid and it's sturdy. Easy to fold and unfold as well. There were no scratches or imperfections with the paint. It has a matte finish throughout. The cable management is organized. It's ran outside the frame. I like the front and rear fenders along with the front light. The ride was comfortable and the saddle is pretty soft. There were no rattles, vibrations, or noises, and the steering felt stable. The handlebars are a good length and height, and you can adjust the angles easily. Rough surfaces are a bit bumpy even though it has the rear suspensions. I would just keep this on the street or smooth surfaces for a better ride. The motor was adequate for this frame type. Acceleration is gradual and it's quiet, whether using the twist throttle or the pedal assist. It was able to handle the inclines with slight speed loss. Using the pedal assist and the throttle, I was able to reach 15.6 miles per hour. It also has an estimated range of 16 to 28 miles, and that will also depend on the pedal assist level, throttle usage, weight, and environment that you are in. The brakes grabbed on quick and there's decent stopping power. The LCD display is simple and small, very intuitive, and it doesn't get washed out in the sunlight. Overall, I feel the bike excels in the small, portable design. I feel this would be a great option for commuters and using it for that last mile commute. Or if you just want something for pleasure and want that portability. So that is my review of the ONEBOT S6L folding electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.